Hello, managers. My name is Sharmeen Narso. I'm from the Philippines. I've been in the BPO industry for 4 years, handling inbound and outbound call to a provider or member services. I was hired in Sagility, wherein I am calling providers or medical representative to submit the medical records of a certain patient prior to the procedure so that the claim would not be technically denied. I was also hired in Everrise as a member service representative, wherein I am receiving calls from the patients, I assisting them for their concern, checking the eligibility and benefit verification, processing ID cards, checking if the provider is contracted or not as well. I was a patient scheduling in one of the clinics in Ottawa, Canada, wherein I am helping patient to set an appointment on their general ultrasound, mammogram, bone density, and x-rays via email, fax, or phone calls. Making outbound calls as well for follow-ups and answering queries or general questions from the patients. Throughout my career, I have developed my excellent scheduling management skills, strong attention to detail, customer service, and management time skills. I am very excited for the opportunity to join in your team, and I am look forward to contribute my skills and my experience and enhancing my customer service for your clients. I am hoping to consider my application. Thank you and have a nice day.